Welcome to the Design Semantics Database tutorial sessions. The DSD is a scientifically based design tool and the result of years of study and research, offering feedback on the meaning and the emotional effect of keywords, colors, color combinations, shapes and compositions, textures, tastes, and postures. A logical data structure, wherein color functions as a classification system, forms the framework in which the keywords and design elements are classified and connected. As such, the DSD offers a unique source of design information, bringing intuition to the surface and enhancing it. To illustrate how the DSD can be used, and what its potentials are, for the creative professions, we will analyze in this session the symbols and colors of the UEFA Champions League main visual communication, and explain how the DSD can reveal its meaning.
In this session, we will show the successful interplay between symbols and colors. How these symbols relate to each other, within the semantic color space, and at two color combinations rather than individual colors, evoke a stronger and more specific meaning. This image contains the symbols, dome, arena, star, football, and playing field. The colors are blue, purple, white, and green. Type the word, dome, in the search field. A number of keywords containing dome appear. You can also type, dom, which will allow for more results. In the DSD, we find the words, dome, and doming. The first, with the white on red color combination, has to do with a covered saucer, which meaning does not apply in this context. The doming keyword is more interesting because the colors in the color combination are blue and purple, the two colors that appear in the image on the dome. Moreover, the meaning within the context of football stadium and championship is not in conflict. The meaning of a keyword becomes clear by looking at the related words. We find doming in blue on purple in the sense of bending over something to study or foster it. Also, rapprochement meaning establishment or resumption of harmonious relations. And the tangent represents the curve that forms the dome. Scrolling down the doming keyword page, under the moving axis title, we find the keyword arena, a symbol also present in the Champions League image. Moving axis keywords are related to the starting keyword, because of their place in the semantic space. Their place differs only in one dimension and their meaning is related thereby. Doming, with the color combination blue on purple, is closely related in meaning to arena, with the color combination blue on green. Let's take a closer look at the related keywords of arena, to get a grip on its meaning. The blue on green arena has a military aspect. It is associated with weaponry and army, with obedience and iron discipline. To understand the meaning between the related words, doming, and arena, let's look at the movement itself. The meaning movement takes place on the latitude axis, with a transition from blue on green to blue on purple. The actual movement goes from green to purple. By clicking on the semantic space, on the right side of the screen, we get to an overview page, with 64 two-color combinations. There, we select the green on purple combination, which leads to that specific meaning overview page. In the glossary we find keywords such as delimitation, lattice, and restrictions, which can be associated with doming and arena. After all, the domed arena forms an enclosed space. Other symbols that are present in the Champions League image are the playing field with the ball. Lastly, there is the star shape in the logo and on the dome. We will start with looking up the keyword play. In the list appear play, playing field, and playball. All three are classified within the color code white on green, which contains the two remaining colors of the image. There is a gambling aspect associated with this color code. We don't know the outcome of the game yet. When scrolling down to the moving axis section, you can find the playing field's closely related keywords. Within the list, also the keyword star appears, with the color code white on blue. This indicates that playing field and star differ in meaning only on one-dimensional axis. In this case it is a movement in the height dimension, with white on green moving to white on blue, or vice versa. The shining star represents all that is excellent and brilliant. All that excels. In this image, the players in the game on the field can be seen as knights, who with superhuman powers rise above the ordinary, that will enable them to defeat the enemy gloriously. By adding the white on blue star, football is elevated to a mythical event.
The meaning relationships between the symbols become clear in a schematic overview. We start the scheme with the color combination, blue on green. The triplet codes in the color circles represent the 3 dimensions in the semantic space. They have been added for informational purposes, to better understand the spatial positions. More about the coding can be found in the About section, under the menu item Getting Started. Blue has the code 000 and green the code 010. The first digit indicates the location on the depth axis. The second digit indicates the location on the altitude axis. Finally, the third digit, representing the latitude axis. We found the keywords, arena, discipline, army, and armory, in the color code blue on green. Associated with this is the color code blue on purple. With the keywords, doming, bending over, rapprochement, and tangent. The movement is in the width dimension. With keywords like, delimitation, and lattice. The last color in the image is white, which, with blue, forms the code white on blue. With keywords like, star, excellence, brilliant, and night. And, in only one dimension, related to the white on green code. In turn, meaning, playing field, play, playing ball, and gamble. They form a movement in the height dimension, from blue to green. And so, we come back to where we started, with the blue on green color code. We could summarize the meaning of the Champions League, main visual symbols and colors, as follows. The delimitation lines, in the domed arena, reflect the discipline of the excellent and brilliant sports heroes that is present at the start of a mythical battle.
We hope you enjoyed this tutorial session. Any questions or remarks? Just contact us.